Hi and welcome back to another Hungry Cuban tech video. So today we're going to be installing a LevelMatePro. The reason I decided to go with this, this was designed mainly for trailers, but we found out being up here in the Northeast this past year that there's been a lot of different campgrounds that we've gone to that we thought we were level. What this is going to do is this is going to help me before I even put the stabilizers down to find a semi-level area. This will give me a head start and avoid me having to move 2 or 3 times to find the most level area that my stabilizers can take care of. So first we have to go outside and we need to get a couple measurements. First thing we're going to do is we're going to measure the distance between the middle of the drive axle and the middle of the steering axle. So let's get that first measurement. The second measurement that we need is the width of the rear drive axle, and we're going to measure the outside edges of the tires on both sides. Let's go take care of that. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and download the LevelMatePro app. Go ahead and download it, but do not open it just yet. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the 4 screws in the front of the LevelMate. Okay, next step, we're going to go ahead and open up our apps on both our phone and our iPad so it can go ahead and link up by Bluetooth to the LevelMatePro. So we're going to go ahead and install the LevelMatePro on any vertical surface. It could be facing forward, facing back, facing sideways. We decided to put it in our top cabinet by the front of the coach because that is not on a slide out, so it would be the most level. Next thing you want to do before you hook up the app with the LevelMatePro is you want to make sure that your rig is level right where it is. That'll be like the initial setting. You can either use a leveler like I have here, or you can even do the door test in the bathroom and just put it wherever you want it. If it doesn't move around, then you know you're level. I'd rather use this. So we've opened up the LevelMate app. We've gone ahead and put label facing rear because this label on the LevelMate is facing the rear of the RV. We're using inches. Either you can select travel trailer, fifth wheel, or drivable. That's what we have. We're going to go ahead and click save. I've gone ahead and put in the inches, the measurements that we got earlier. We're going to hit set level. So we know we're level. We're just going to go ahead and say yes. Save, yes, back arrow, and there we are. We're perfectly level right now, 0, 0, 0, 0. The next time we set up, it's going to be that much easier to level the RV. Well, we hope that was helpful, but I hope this video helped you out a little bit on how to set it up. Now anytime I get to the RV, my new RV site, all I have to do is open up my LevelMate, get it level. Before I even put the stabilizers down, it's going to make my life a lot easier. Thanks again. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you're notified of our next video. Until the next one, have a great day. Bye-bye.